The team behind a multi-million-pound project to redevelop the old Don Valley site in Sheffield have told us they've made huge progress. The plans for the Olympic Legacy Park were announced a year ago.
Beyond that, we are now looking at how we can use this as a big economic driver in many ways to develop around this area. So this big strip, Super Tram on the one side, Arctic Cliff Road on the other, the arena at the bottom, Woodburn Road at the top, that area is going to be really, I think, like the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, the Advanced Manufacturing Park, this will be the wellness park, and we will see a lot of inward investment and activities around that.
The school's now open, and standing on its roof you can see over the next year where work will start on a new indoor arena and a 3G pitch before a special research centre is built where experts will look into ways of getting people more active.
So we'll be creating innovations that will give people a nudge into bringing physical activity back into people's lives, because we spend a lot of time engineering it out. So now how do we get it back in? And the reason we want to do that is because healthcare outcomes in this country are seriously affected by physical activity. We can improve our lives by just being a little bit more physically active. If we go from nothing to something, that has a massive effect on ourselves, on the health service, and the impact on culture around the city.
The government's given £14 million in funding for the Advanced Wellbeing Research Centre. The Minister for Public Health, Jane Ellison, has been visiting to see where the money will get spent.
We know we need to tackle the twin challenges of diet and exercise, but there's no downside to doing more exercise. It's one of those great sort of parts of, you know, the health portfolio, if you like, because it's a very simple message. Being more physically active is good for your health, however old you are. Very important for older people, helps tackle social isolation, but obviously really important to put children on a healthy track in life. And you know, one of the exciting things about where we are today in this school is that the children here are going to actually be part of some of the research in the years going forward. So lovely opportunity for them, and I'm sure that we're going to find that, you know, lessons we learn from the children of Sheffield are going to be learnt on right across the nation.